Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to start quadratic equation, one of the most important and scoring topic as you know in mathematics. So in this video I will explain everything step by step using simple methods. So make sure you watch till the end. So the question is, find the quadratic equation whose solution of a set is given, which is -2, 3. So first we have to write set solution, which is -2, 3. So this -2 and 3 is a root. They are roots. So roots are -2 and 3. -2 and 3. So we can write x is equal to -2 as well as x is equal to 3. So -2 comes to left hand side, which is +2, which become 0, and this x plus 3 come to the left hand side, as we know, make it negative, which is x minus 3 equal to 0. Clear? Now if we multiplied this two product, which is a x plus 2 and x minus 3, which become equal to 0. So multiply this two factor, x multiply with x square, again x multiply with 3, so plus minus minus 3x. Now this 2 multiply with x, so it is a plus 2x, or this plus minus minus 2 3 is 6 is equal to 0. Next step, we know that x square, this minus 3x plus 2x are like term, minus plus minus, so it is a x minus 6 is equal to 0. So here we can find this set equation, which is quadratic equation, x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Let it compared with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So the required equation is x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So we can find easily the equation by giving the roots. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you have any doubts related to the mathematics or science, whatever class, 8, 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, I will reply you. Thank you.